restart my past. I'm tired of seeing myself in the mirror every morning, thinking of all the things I could have done, still ending up looking for you. I don't know where I went wrong. I don't know what I missed. I keep chasing yesterday instead of living this. If I could just let you go, maybe I'd finally last. But I'm still trying to restart what's already past.